Hello, welcome back to your daily English practice. Today, let's practice calm and slow English together. Repeat after me. It's been a long day. I finally have some time to relax. Today was more stressful than usual. How about you? Did you have a stressful day too? Let me know in the comments. Repeat after me. I'm trying not to overthink things. Sometimes we just need a little rest. Repeat after me. I'm learning to take things slowly. Peace of mind is very important. Now repeat these sentences naturally. I've been working on myself lately. Little by little, I'm improving. Repeat after me. Take a deep breath. You don't have to speak perfect English. What matters is consistency. Confidence grows with practice. Not every day has to be perfect. I'm proud of the progress I've made. I want to become more confident in English. Mistakes are part of learning. Be patient with yourself. You're doing better than you think. Excellent. Now listen and repeat. How was your day?
It was a little exhausting, honestly.
Did something stressful happen?
Not really. I just had too much on my mind.
I understand. You should get some rest tonight. What do you usually do to relax?
I like listening to music and drinking coffee.
That sounds peaceful.
It helps me clear my mind.
Repeat after me. I haven't had enough sleep lately. Repeat after me. I should probably take a short break. The weather feels really nice this evening. Sometimes silence feels comforting. I've been trying to stay positive. I enjoy peaceful moments like this. Amazing job today. Practice English every day, little by little. You're improving more than you think. See you in the next English practice video. Take care and keep learning.